Hi everyone, welcome to Lilia's Bookshelf. I'm Lilia's dad.
I'm Yulia.
Today we're going to read We're Going on a Nature Hunt. Please like and subscribe to hear more great children's books like this one. Enjoy. We're Going on a Nature Hunt. Written by Steve Metzger. Illustrated by Miki Sakamoto. We're going on a nature hunt. We'll search high and low. We're going on a nature hunt. Now it's time to go. We're coming to a bridge. A narrow, shaky bridge. What's on the other side? Let's find out. Cross, cross, cross to the other side. It's a field of fluttery, buttery wildflowers. Look at those colorful flowers, but don't pick them. We're going on a nature hunt. We'll search high and low. We're going on a nature hunt. Now it's time to go. We're coming to a pond, a clear and sparkling pond. What's in the pond? Let's find out. Paddle, paddle, paddle to the lily pad. It's a slippery, sloppery frog. Look at that frog jump and swim. But don't scare it. We're going on a nature hunt. We'll search high and low. We're going on a nature hunt. Now it's time to go. We're coming to a meadow. A wide and hilly meadow. What's in the ground? Let's find out. Dig, dig, dig down into the ground. It's a worm. Look at that wiggly waggly worm. But don't hurt it. We're going on a nature hunt. We'll search high and low. We're going on a nature hunt. Now it's time to go. We're coming to a tree, a tall and leafy tree. What's in that tree? Let's find out. Climb, climb, climb up to the crooked branch. It's a scritchety-scratchety nest. Look at those eggs in the robin's nest. But don't touch it. What's that noise? It's very close by. It's making a buzzing sound. It's a beehive! Let's go! Back down the tree. Back through the meadow. Back across the pond. Back over the bridge. We're home. We went on a nature hunt. The day went by so fast. We went on a nature hunt. Now we're home at last.
The end.
Thanks for reading this book with us. Please like us on social media for updates on new books. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button. We'll see you next time.
Bye.